Hi, everybody, and welcome to Coding Corner with Miss Allison. I have for you another Dino-inspired Scratch program that we're going to build today that I like to call Dino Dance Party. So I've already gotten rid of our tutorial and our cat. We're just going to go over to the sprites and choose our dinosaurs. You can choose any sprites that you like. I just happen to really like these dinosaurs. Okay, and I just want to show you something. When you hover over a sprite, they kind of go through a series of movements. And that's what we're going to be coding today. We're going to be changing their costumes. So now we have our dinosaurs. I'm going to go over to backdrops and choose my backdrop. I'm going to choose one from the music theme because I think that fits in well with the dance party idea. And I like this concert one, so I'm going to choose it. So now that I have that, I'm just going to place my dinosaurs on the stage. All right, and now we're going to get ready for some coding. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to head over to the events block and pull out a when flag is clicked. I'm going to pull out 2 of them. Then we're going to go over to control and we're going to pull out forever loop. Again, I'm going to do 2 because we're going to have to code sound in this one. Okay, now that I have my forever loop there, I'm going to go over to looks. This controls the way our sprites look. And I want to pull out this switch costume too. So I'm going to pull out that, but before I snap it in there, I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to duplicate it 4 times because I want 4 costume changes. All right, perfect. Now we have to head over to control because we need to add some wait blocks to this code. Otherwise, the dinosaurs will change their costumes so fast you won't really be able to see it. So again, we're going to need duplicates of this. 4 should do. Awesome. Okay, and now we're just going to pull apart the blocks and put them in our forever loop. So the thing you want to know when you're moving your blocks around, if you move them from the top, it moves the whole entire block. If you want to separate them, you separate them from the bottom. Okay, so we put that in there, and we're just going to build our code. Okay, 1 costume change, 1 weight block. All right, so that's looks good to me. I have an extra costume, which I don't need, so I'm just going to pull it off to the left and get rid of it. Okay, so you're going to see here that all the dinosaurs have the same costume, costume D. If you click on this arrow, you can change the costume. So I'm going to do costume A, costume B, costume C, and you guessed it, costume D. Okay, so now we have all of the different costumes coded in there. We're going to go over to sound because we're going to want to add some sound to this party. So we're going to click on sounds and open up sounds. And then just here in the corner, you can open up the sound library. So this opens up all the different sounds. And if you hover over it, it plays a little sample for you. The sound that I'm going to choose is in our loops. And it is called Dance Energy. It sounds like that. So that's the one that I'm going to choose. Once I've chosen my sound, I can go back to code by just clicking on code up here. And then I can add that sound because it's added to my block. So I'm going to pull out this play sound until done, dance energetic, but you can choose any sound that you want. And I'm just going to snap it in there. So that's perfect. We have our sound added. We have our costume changes. Now we're just going to duplicate this costume change. And we're going to drop it into our other dinosaurs. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to drop it into the red dinosaur. We don't need to drop the sound because we've already got it. I'm going to just check and make sure that it's there. And I see that it is. And we have the extra copy. You don't have to get rid of it. I just don't like it there, so I'm going to get rid of it. Now we have to go to our other dinosaurs because you'll notice the costumes are the same. So you want to open that up, that little drop-down menu where it says Dinosaur 4, and change it to Dinosaur 1. A, okay, I'm just going to do that for all of them. B, C, and then D, perfect. Then we're going to choose the red dinosaur, and we're going to just do the same thing, okay? Dinosaur 2A, B, C, and D. Okay, and now we're going to play it and see what happens. All right, and there they go, and you can open it up here. Do it full screen, and there you have your dinosaur dance party. You can change the speed at which they move by changing the number that's in the pause or the wait block. So if you want them to dance faster, you can do that by doing that, by changing the number. Thank you for stopping by Coding Corner with me today, and I hope you enjoyed it.